This is Ponytail, one of the most talked about plugins on GitHub right now, 18,000 stars and climbing. The pitch, do more by doing less. The personality, long ponytail, oval glasses, been at the company longer than the version control. You show him 50 lines of code, he says nothing and replaces them with one. Here's the problem it fixes. Ask a normal coding agent for a date picker, and it'll install a library, build a wrapper component, add a style sheet, and start a debate about time zones. Ponytail's version? One line of HTML. The date picker your browser already ships. Before it writes anything, it walks down a ladder and stops at the first yes. Does this need to exist? Does the standard library do it? Is there a native feature? An already installed dependency? Can it be one line? Only then does it write the minimum that works. And it's lazy, not negligent. Security, validation, and accessibility never get cut. Their own benchmark claims up to 94% less code, several times faster, and far cheaper to run. And Ponytail isn't alone. There's a whole wave of these now. Adi Osmani's agent skills, compound engineering, and the broader Claude Code plugin toolkit. Different flavors, same big idea. Your agent writes too much code, so you bolt a grumpy senior developer onto it, because the best code is the code you never wrote.